Hey guys, good morning. I come to Hamilton. As you can hear the gates over here, they're going down. We got a train, it's coming right now. All right, let's get the video rolling. Well, we're on the right side of the tracks. Just got here today, hanging out with Buckeye Freight Railing. It's a good day here in Hamilton. It's a good morning. I got some breakfast sandwiches from Hyde's. If you guys are local and you know where Hyde's is, it's good stuff. We got the local coming down right now, L101. He's pushing. We're gonna get him at this crossing. I know I'm walking around. Hopefully the camera's nice and steady for you guys. But I want to get out of these damn signs that are in the way. When the wind doesn't blow, the sun feels mighty good. It's about 30 something degrees out right now. It's chilly, but it's gonna warm up. Anyways, if you guys saw the Glendale video from Monday, I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was kind of short, but we got what we could and we left. So that's okay, because I knew I was going to come up here today. I put some shorts up yesterday. You ain't checked them out? Check them out. Got a good one over there. The first train of the day from Taylorsville Metro Park on the Toledo sub. I got a good one of a bald eagle. And if you guys are still enjoying the short with the high railer, my buddy Martin in the background. Going good. Local, he's sort of moving, but he's not moving. These auto racks are plumb full.
They were probably waiting for that guy to come off the hill.
The local looks like he had stopped up there, but he'll come down eventually. He's probably waiting for this guy to get through. But like I said, I just pulled in a parking lot. Cold mornings and hot action, baby. There you go, look at that. Old P&W. Providence and Worcester. There's two of them. Boy, he's slowing down too. CBS. They must really like to watch CBS. I don't know. Oh, look at this one coming up. There's a couple more of them. How long did that take? There's a couple more down here, quite more extensive. Like these two right. This one. Look at that. And that one would take forever. Like, how long does a rail car have to sit there for them to do that? Yeah, these auto racks are always quite long. But I'll tell you this, every single one of them is full. I want to know who's buying all these cars, because how they can afford it, because I don't know who can afford a new car nowadays, and it ain't me. I bought a used pickup truck and it cost me the price of a cheaper end new vehicle. So, but hey, whatever. I digress. Locals look like he stopped up there. You can see him way up there. Look like he stopped actually. Either that or he's waiting on a clear signal. But I thought he said he was clear. When he hit the defect detector, he was clear. So, but maybe because of this guy, he's not clear. It is quite breezy. Sorry, I'm switching arms here. It's a long one. I have 5 minutes, almost 6 minutes already on the video. So it's a long one, but it's okay. We don't come to Hamilton for short, rinky-dinky trains. Wee-wee. Here it comes. That's live action right there. Jawtooth says. In front of this guy, the Autorack train hit that defect detector and he's just about to roll through with the last Autorack. That's one long train. Propylene glycol. Pushing all that GP38-2. Conductor's all the way out front. That's a chilly ride. All right, there's our high railer right there. That's an NS though. I wonder what he's gonna do. Cool. The Autorack's through. The locals through. The gates are going up. That was good. That was cool, guys. That was a cool first catch. Got the local, the conductor right in front of that tank car. And dang it, we also got that Autorack coming through. Thing was like 2 miles long at least. All right, guys. We're gonna keep standing by for more. Thanks for watching. All right, guys. We got a Norfolk Southern. That's southbound. I guarantee you he's gonna take the Newcastle sub. We're gonna get him coming through here. Oh yeah. Black Stallion. Ourselves a grain train. Cool. There's a heavy train here. Nelly. Oh, back in a car. This guy, man, he's a beast. Yeah, I was thinking this might be potash. That wind's a little biting. Sorry, guys. So I get forget my code. All right, we got 2 trains in one. It looks like. First half is potash. Second half McManifest. Kiln dried lumber. Man, what we got here? Double DPU coming through. There, rebuild. Well, them things are working hard. Got that rumble in my chest. Listen to that growl. He just notched up. The DPU's just notched up. Yeah, that was cool. Some good trains today so far. Heck, you probably got 3 trains on one here. Some Coke cars. Look like they're empty though. Some big steel coil right there. Neat. Whatever. There they go. Alrighty-o, there they go. That was a good one. Double DPU, a bunch of potash in front. Alrighty. I'm gonna get back in my truck where it's warm. Oh, before we do that, let's see if they're gonna do the switches over here. Cool. All right. Thanks for watching, folks. All right, we got one coming. He's gonna set the gates off. There it goes. We got a work truck coming at us. Woo! God, the wind is biting. That wind is biting, I'll tell you. May be cold, but the action in Hamilton is hot today. We got some foreign power here. Let's hoping this guy makes it all the way through, because if he goes in an emergency, God, I'm getting cold. Adjust my hands so I don't get too cold, guys. Couple auto racks here, a few of them are all full. CSX work truck pull up. They're up here a lot, so and he's notching up, picking up some speed. Woo-wee. Can warm up any time now. It's going to take its sweet time, but god dang. That old guy right there. Two levels, SUVs. comes the end. Wrapping up with a little bit of drywall here and a gon. All right, there he goes. And I irresponsible walk across the tracks, and I'm gonna do it again because it's freezing. Alrighty, cool. First shorter one of the day. Thanks for watching, folks. Stay tuned. All right, the gate's going down there. We got one more coming. It's got some forward power on the back. Track one, can't tell, looks like they're empty. Some of these guys are empty. They may not all be empty, but we've got some big articulated auto racks, one after another. Man, a whole train of articulated auto racks would make one long train. This guy's not too long, about 300 something axles, so if that wind would stop blowing, it wouldn't be too dang bad out here. But with that wind blowing, God, it's awful. Dreams don't die. It's a pretty good artwork. You know, I'll have to say, some of these people that put this graffiti on these cars, man, they have some talent. They have some talent. I'm strolling here. Yeah, look at that guy. I brain farting on their names. If you know, leave a comment below. Because I'm brain farting on it. Oh, the wind can go away. Wind blowing from the south means two things. It's gonna get warmer, but there's rain coming. I think that's gonna happen at the end of the week, in the next week. There's a chance every day, but today is the official last day of winter. Spring equinox happens tonight about 10:08, I believe. 22:08, first day of spring. First full day of spring tomorrow, folks. Last day of winter right now. It's wonderful. But the recent cold snaps hurt the cherry blossoms that are in and around town a little bit. I guess that guy forgot there's a stop sign there. You still gotta stop. And he's making that left-hand turn onto the Newcastle sub, so he's not gonna go as fast. And that's okay. You get to enjoy the artwork on the side of these auto racks. You guys missed the Doodle Bob. I don't know if you saw that, but he was there. Here's the White Ninja. Definitely not the White Ninja. He's just black. Looked like an outline. Like he didn't get the finish. Oh, look at this thing. That's crazy. Yep, every single one of these auto racks is empty, so Scum 41 is what that thing says. But man, imagine how much white and black paint that took. That's crazy. I heard this guy talking up and getting ready to move. He was airing up, so but CSX was talking to him. Look at that. There comes the end. Thought I heard a horn, but it's probably just me. Be cool if we got a northbound. I think we do have a northbound coming. At least this might be a guy hung down in Newcastle or something. I don't know. Woo-wee, gosh, it's cold. We got a northbound coming. I'm on the wrong side of the darn tracks. We all are. You know, I got gloves in the truck. I should put them on. Well, at least keep my appendages warm, huh? My ears and my fingers. I didn't put the Smartwool socks on this morning. I put the thick cotton socks on this morning. That's what I get. Yeah, it sounds like we have a northbound coming and I'm on the wrong side, but the end's coming. So I'm gonna be able to catch him. There he goes. Oh, son. Whew. With the wind, it is not friendly out here, folks. Look at that. I'm not even going to cut the camera because we got that northbound coming. Gates are going back down. Let some people go through. I was hoping we'd get a kind of a train meet, but oh, that wind. Ooh-wee. Oh, that bell sounds cool. Yeah, nice little SpongeBob square cab on the back. Hey, look at that. Paul Bunyan's toothpicks. Got some more of them. Alrighty up. Oh man, woo. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but dang, that wind is blistering. I'm squinting one eye because of the wind. This guy's not very long, but don't matter. Train to train. We're right on the single. He's into that jointed rail and insulated jointed rail. I don't know. This guy might be kind of long. Yeah, he is. Oh, yeah, he is. Oh, man. I was looking at something else, but I sure wasn't. There goes the main central. Bet you this is in. It could be. Well, this might be a 560 going to Selkirk. This is M560. He's going to Selkirk, New York. Ah, guys, that wind is hot and cold. I'm glad I got some hot coffee in the car, or in the truck. I'm gonna hang out on these junction boxes. The camera, you see the camera moving, that's the wind. Look at that, Pan Am. All right, that's cool. But yeah, the wind is so blustery, it's moving the camera. I'm trying to hold it, but it's coming right out of the south. And that's what the camera and myself is facing, is the south. So, yeah. It's a long one. He's still coming around the bend down at the depot. I hear a rumbling. What we got? GPU coming through. Still. That rubble, he's not stopped, he's picking up speed. He's picking up speed, folks. Trying to hold the camera still in the wind. Yeah, this is probably M560. Usually pretty long. Flat spots in those wheels and a bearing issue. You can probably hear it. Whew. So, it'll be one long video. We got some water reactive metals there. Brand new, almost brand new white tank cars. Timken bearings don't look as new as they should. chips aboard to round it out. Alrighty, folks. He just hit the defect detector up there at 27.7. That's a long one. That's M560s going to Selkirk, New York. Alright, folks. Thanks for watching.